Have you ever wondered why celebrities have such glowing skin? Well, the secret is out. They use a jade roller. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about the amazing benefits of using a jade roller for your skin. Jade rollers have been used for centuries in Chinese medicine and are now becoming increasingly popular in the beauty industry. Benefits. So, what are the benefits of using a jade roller? Well, firstly, it helps to reduce puffiness and inflammation in the skin. It also helps to improve circulation, which can give your skin a natural glow. Additionally, it helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, as well as helping to reduce dark circles under the eyes. Finally, it helps to promote lymphatic drainage, which can help to detoxify the skin and reduce the appearance of acne. How to use. Now that you know the benefits of using a jade roller, let's talk about how to use it. Firstly, you need to make sure that your jade roller is clean before use. Then, you need to apply a moisturizer or serum to your skin. Next, you need to start rolling the jade roller in an upward and outward motion, starting from the neck and working your way up to the forehead. Finally, you need to finish off by rolling the jade roller in a downward motion from the forehead to the neck. So, there you have it, the amazing benefits of using a jade roller for your skin. Not only does it help to reduce puffiness and inflammation, but it also helps to improve circulation and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. So, why not give it a try and see the results for yourself? If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.